Hi everyone, welcome back once again. How are you all doing? Hope you are all doing very well. So today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing avocado Gari fotoo or avocado Gari jollof. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So for my Gari, I'm just using 2 cups of Gari, but you can use more depending the quantity you want to prepare. And then here I have water, just normal room temperature water. This is not hot water. So what I'm going to do in my clean dry bowl, just transfer my Gari. And then I'm just going to add some water, just a little bit of water, and I'm going to mix together. If you are adding water, just add it step by step because you don't want to make the Gari too soft. So yeah, I've mixed it and it's done. What I'm going to do now, just set it aside and let it rest. So for the rest of the ingredients, I will be using avocado. I have here 4 big size of avocado, and then I have 4 eggs, 2 onions and pepper, and I'll also be using red oil, just a little bit of red oil, not too much. And I have here also salt. So I'm going to start by boiling the eggs. So I'll just add just a tablespoon of salt, and I'll cover and allow the egg to cook for 5 minutes. So while the eggs are cooking, I'm just going to start by grinding my pepper. I'm using a sanka to grind this pepper because I just want to roughly grind this pepper, not too smooth. But if you don't have a sanka, you can also use your blender, but just make sure the pepper is not smooth. Just roughly grind it. So my pepper is done. I will set it aside and I will start cutting my avocado. Just cut the avocado, peel it, and then cut it into small pieces. And that's it. So I'll just go ahead now to check my eggs. These eggs has been boiling for 5 minutes now. I just take them off fire, drain the water, and add cold water to it. So now on my cooking pan, just transfer my oil. Allow the oil to heat for a while, then just add in your onions, some sliced onions. Allow the onions to fry for 1 minute. Just 1 minute is enough. So this is it. The oil will be frying for 1 minute now with the onion. So I'm going to take it off the heat and I'll set it aside. So I'll just bring back my Gari and I'm going to use my hand to work the rest of the ingredients out. So the reason why I'm using gloves is because of this pepper. I don't want this pepper to go burn in my hands after finish preparing this dish. So if you don't want trouble, just use your gun. But if you can make do with your bare hand, is also fine. But for me, I can't. So just add the Gari and mix everything together. Just mix all together. And then add your avocado. Use your hand also. Mix everything together. So while mixing your gari with the avocado, try to use your hand to smash in some of the avocado in, smash them, roughly smash them in, and then try to combine it all together. Make sure the gari is well mixed together with the avocado. And at this point you can add your oil. So I just add in my oil. I'll just add the oil step by step in case the oil is too much. You don't want to overdo it with the oil also. Just a bit of oil is enough. And for this recipe you need red oil. This recipe always go with red oil. And then add the rest of the oil. If you think it's necessary, just add in the rest of the oil. Then try to mix all together. Make sure all is well combined. After, test for salt, and then you add more salt if it's needed. Then combine all together. Add the rest of the cut avocado, and I also slice some onions, so I'm just going to add in some onion. With this recipe you don't need any tomatoes or any other thing. Tomatoes is not needed here, so you can just add maybe green pepper if you want to, and then just with your spoon just mix everything together. And that's it. Your gari, avocado gari fotoo is ready to be served. Just add in your boiled eggs, and that is all that you need for this recipe. So at this point I'm just going to go ahead and serve. I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and if it's your first time, thank you for clicking. Please do not forget to hit that red button that says subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. I will be seeing you all in my next video. Stay safe and remain blessed. Bye.